Whether you're making sweet treats like cookies or savory sides such as mashed potatoes, mixing by hand can be tiring. A stand mixer is a great tool to ease the workload, but it can be pricey and bulky to store. This is where a good electric hand mixer comes in. It can whip up your favorite recipes at a fraction of the price of a stand mixer, and it doesn't require much space. There are numerous options for cheap electric hand mixer, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable electric hand mixer from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Best Overall Hand Mixer Breville Handy Mix Scraper. Breville's hand mixer earned top scores in our testing, excelling at whipping egg whites, beating cake batter, mixing oatmeal cookie dough and kneading bread dough. This 9-speed model can recognize which attachment you've inserted, beaters, dough hooks or whisks, and automatically adjust the speed required, whether you're mixing something heavier, like kneading dough, or lighter, such as whipped cream. The beaters have a silicone coating to help prevent scratches in cookware and to dampen the loud clanking that's sometimes caused by beaters hitting the sides of the bowl. Plus, it has a built-in timer and a light that turns on during beating to help you see into the bowl so you can ensure everything is incorporated. It also comes with a case, so you can easily store the attachments. It's a bit pricey, but we think the extra features and attachments make it worth the splurge. Number 2. Best Value Hand Mixer Hamilton Beach 6-Speed Electric Hand Mixer. Hamilton Beach hand mixers have performed well in past testing, so it's no surprise this 6-speed hand mixer performed well. It whipped up heavy cream with ease and made cake batter that was smooth. The handle was comfortable to hold, though the mixer felt heavier than some others we've tested. It was easy to use with a simple flip switch that toggles between speeds. The mixer is equipped with 6 speed settings and a quick burst button, which provides an extra dose of power to whip through tough ingredients like firm cream cheese. Our pros appreciated the bowl rest feature, which allows you to rest the back of the mixer on the edge of the bowl, so you can keep the beaters securely in the bowl rather than dripping on the counter when you need to take a pause. Another particularly handy feature is the convenient snap-on case to neatly store the 2 beaters, whisk and cord along with the mixer. We were also impressed with the Hamilton Beach Professional Cordless Electric Hand Mixer, which eliminates the pesky cord getting in the way while you mix. We found it was louder than other hand mixers, but it did well in our tests. It produced smooth cake batter and fluffy whipped cream. Number 3. Best Hand Mixer for Baking Braun MultiMix 5 Hand Mixer. The Braun MultiMix 5 is a versatile hand mixer with 9 speed options. It comes with 2 multi-whisk beaters, which the brand says are uniquely shaped to whip, mix and beat, and it also includes 2 dough hooks. This mixer aced our egg white whipping test and our cookie dough test, so you can use it for delicate foods and heavy baked goods alike. We like that the rotating dial allows you to easily swap between incorporating flour into a batter and folding nuts into a dough. Our experts found the whisks easy to clean because the tines are wider and more spread out than typical beaters. Plus, all of the attachments are dishwasher safe. We appreciated the storage pouch to keep them all together. One note, the mixer comes in black only. Number 4. Most Versatile Hand Mixer Cuisinart Power Advantage Plus 9-Speed Handheld Mixer. This Cuisinart hand mixer comes with a versatile array of accessories for a variety of baking needs: 2 beaters for beating cake batter or buttercream frosting, a whisk for whipping egg whites or cream, 2 dough hooks for kneading bread or pizza dough, and a spatula to help you scrape down the side of your bowl. It has 9 speeds, including 3 low start speeds that help prevent splattering, so you can gently mix ingredients on the 1st or 2nd speed or beat through tough batter with the 8th or 9th. All of the attachments are dishwasher safe and store neatly in a snap-on case. We appreciated that the cord swivels so the mixer can easily be used by right or left-handed people. It checked all the boxes of what we are looking for in a corded model. Note, in our testing, we did have to scrape down the bowl regularly to help mix the cake batter. Number 5. KitchenAid Cordless 7-Speed Hand Mixer. If you're someone who forgets soften your butter ahead of baking, this hand mixer from Oster is a great option. It has a built-in fan that will blow warm air into your mixing bowl to gently soften cold butter, no more waiting around for uneven microwaving. In our testing, we found that it was able to soften butter within 1.5 minutes, in contrast to the 30 minutes it usually takes for butter to soften when left at room temperature. One of our pros has used this hand mixer at home for over 2 years and loves the heat softening technology. They also found this extremely durable, mixing thick cookie doughs with ease. In our tests, we liked how comfortable the handle was to hold, and we appreciate that the base can sit upright when not in use so dirty beaters won't touch the kitchen countertop. It has 7 speed settings and can beat through thick batters, whipped cream and more. It comes with beaters, dough hooks and a whisk attachment that all fit into a snap-on container. However, take note that all of the attachments are hand wash only, and we found this model heavier than others on our list. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.